Om Amriteshwari Namaha.
28th July is observed as the Conservation Day of Nature and Natural Resources. As every year, this year's quote provided by the IUCN is Conserve Nature, Conserve Life.
Nature is the mother of all, as it helps to sustain our life. It is one of the companion since eternity. Despite the importance of nature in humans' life, we are spoiling its balance only due to our greediness. Today, at the heights of science, our requirements are met by nature only. Nature is the boon given to us as it protects crews and crews of organisms in the earth. Our earth is literally experiencing many shocks of destructive activities. Today's world facing the biggest problem of global warming which has serious impact on our environment. As like nature, natural resources are also plays an important role in humans' life. However, they are exploited by humans for economic gain. Natural resources are at the depletion because of the overuse of some of these resources. They are available in the abundance with the capability to renew. So, overall, we can say humans cannot imagine their lives without nature and natural resources. So, try to conserve it for you and as well as for your upcoming generation. This I am concluding. Thank you. Nam Shivaya.